So the Oceanography Kit and the Zoology Kit are kind of similar in the aspect that they're going to look at animals. They're going to get your clients or your children to start understanding some things. So the one thing that's in the Oceanography Kit is more like a morphine kinetic sand with some different ocean specimens or organisms there, and then it has a couple activities for them to do. And then the other thing that's inside that kit is a fossil dig where they can actually break open fossils, and inside the fossil of the rock, there are different types of fossils. There are shark teeth, different dinosaur things like that, where they can start looking at them and start understanding different structures. Just like with the zoology kit, they're looking at the bones of the animals or organisms that the owl ate. It's the same kind of thing where they can start looking at organisms, understanding a little bit more about their structures, just really getting into it. I'll do another video with some other extension activities for oceanography and with zoology as well. But really just getting started. Those are the two big things that are in the oceanography kit that you can start getting them to understand the different organisms that are there, understanding the different levels in the ocean, that you have a photic zone where light actually penetrates. You have the dark or deep ocean where there's not a lot of light and organisms are completely different. So getting them to start understanding that. There are great videos on PBS or the BBC, The Blue Planet, that I'll do some talking about in some other videos as well.